Hello and welcome friends. Welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Friends, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, choose all notifications to get latest posts. If you want to join us on Telegram, so the Telegram channel link is available in the description below. Don't forget to join our Telegram group to post queries and discuss on technology. In this video, I am going to show you how you can read any news without any advertisement. Friends, when we want to read any news from any news website, like for India, there are lots of websites like Times of India, Hindustan Times, India Today. So we want to read news from those sites, but there are advertisements available. So we have some problems. We feel some irritations while we are reading by using talkback. But Google has a feature with the help of which you can listen any news without any advertisement. So do you want to know this? If yes, then please press the like button and watch the video till the end. You don't have to pay any single penny. You have to just click one like. So why you are just watching the video and going away? Please like the video, because your one like will motivate me to make new videos. Please understand, and also share the video with your friends. Okay, so let's start the video. For this, I am opening my Google.
Maps, Translate, Google. In case you missed it, Railways update. Sleeping position personality test. Sleep psychologists and experts all over the world. Napkin, card menu. Indian Railways. In case you missed it, Railways update. Card menu. Off. Like Canada. Current and prospective students of Canada's Quebec will soon be ineligible for Indian. Off. Card menu. Button. Sleeping position personality test.
So now I want to read this news.
Psychologists
Sleeping
and
position. So I am clicking
Off.
here.
Google. Back. Button. Out of. Forward. Button. Disabled.
Let's. I'm reading.
Read. Share. More. Close. Your connection to save. But personality Jagran Josh logo.
I'm trying to read by swiping from left to right with my ETI eloquence.
School, college, job, results, SR, career, current of GK, G, M, vid, link.
It is quite tough to understand that from where the news or the main article will start, right? But at the below of your screen, there are one option called read aloud.
Read aloud button.
You can go to directly, or you can just tap on more options button,
save,
touch on save button or more options button, then back swipe.
Your connection to this site is
again,
Jagran Josh.
Again,
close.
Again,
more actions.
Again,
share. Button.
Again,
read aloud.
Yes,
button.
read aloud button. So if you double tap here, let's see what will happen.
Google.
From Jagran Josh. Personality test. Your sleeping position reveals these personality traits. By Rupashri Sharma. Sleeping position personality test. Why do you sleep on your stomach? Why do you on your side? Why do you sleep with a pillow? Today, we tell you your personality traits based on your favorite sleeping position. Sleeping position personality test. Sleep psychologists and experts all over the world have conducted several studies to establish the link between our sleeping positions and our personality.
Panel, and there is
Our
option.
subconscious is the powerhouse that influences how we function throughout the day.
Your
How we
sleeping
walk,
position
what
reveals
coffee we
these
order.
personality
This is the
traits.
notification. Now I am swiping from left to right.
Do not pay
Stop
attention
playback
to how
and
we
dismiss
sleep.
notification.
Stop playback
Button.
and dismiss
Favorite
notification.
sleeping
If you click this,
However,
then
much
the
pioneering
notification
work
will
by
be
Ratul on the
dismissed
connection
and
between
the
sleeping
playback will be
positions and
stopped
personality
automatically.
traits.
Rewind 10
Sleep
seconds.
researchers
So
sampled
you can
Dimkar writes
rewind
in
this
his
audio.
history
I am
positions,
rewinding just.
the way we however, much pioneering work by
Pause
Dimkar on the
button.
connection
I'm
between
clicking
sleeping
pause
positions
button
and
to pause.
personality trait.
And there are one more option called
Skip 30 seconds.
skip
button.
30 seconds, which means forward 30 seconds.
10%. Skip play. Rewind. Stop playback and dismiss notification.
So when you complete reading and you think that okay, I don't want to read anymore, so just click on
Stop playback and
this
dismiss
option.
notification. Button.
Okay, and you have already seen that without any ad, without anything, you can easily read or you can easily listen any article, any news directly from any website. But remember, there are some of websites which doesn't allow this feature. I don't know what is the reason, but I have seen this. That's why I have shared with you. Okay, so I am dismissing this.
Clear all notif. Google. Weight loss. Weight losses. Weight loss.
Okay, so this is for today. I hope this video helps a lot to read articles and news easily. And please, friends, don't forget to comment your opinion, because when you comment, I will assure that okay, I can help others. I will deliver some values with my videos. So don't forget to comment below, and also please friends, like the video and share the video. Why are you not liking this video? Please do like. Okay, so this is for today, and enjoy your weekend, and also stay tuned on our Telegram channel and Facebook page for more updates. And okay, bye bye, see you soon, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching this video.